Hello and greetings to everyone. Today I'm going to go ahead and handhold you through the NDAT application form filling process by NMIMS for the School of Design. Yes, we are going to go ahead and see how we fill the design form for School of Design. So we first start by visiting the website, that's ndat.nmims.edu. Once you go ahead to this website, you will have an apply now link that you create. This apply now link will redirect you to apply.nmims.edu for the NDAT examination. You fill in two pieces of information, either your mobile number or your email address, generate an OTP that will come on your mobile. You go ahead and register, post this in your form. So this form right now is your unique form. This is where you go ahead and proceed to fill the form. Your first piece of information that you fill in is going to be your personal information, that is your name, your details, your email address, all of your personal details. You'll also have to fill in your guardians or parents' details, which will be preceded by your personal details. You then have your academic details that you fill in. All your academic achievements until today is what you fill in. Post that is where you go ahead and fill in details of when you want to take your portfolio test, NMIMS details, which is very specific. You have to be really specific and precise as to which date you want to go ahead and give your examinations or other details that they ask you. One important piece of information for all of you is please take time while filling the form. Don't fill it in a hurry. Plan your form in such a way that you have enough and more time to fill in all the forms. You will always have the option to save the form and come back to it whenever you are absolutely sure of when you want to take your examination. Ensure you fill your forms, you accept all the terms and conditions, you read through all the terms and conditions. Once you've read through all the terms and conditions, it's now time to go ahead and put that final stamp of approval by going ahead and making your payment and ensuring you book a slot for the ndat.nmims.edu examination. And that, my dear friends, is the first step towards going ahead and becoming a proud alumni of the School of Design by NMIMS.